Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Monad update for you guys. Mon right now sitting just under 19 cent, $200 million in market cap. Volume doing pretty well, up 38%. And you see, again, the strength of Monad is... I can't stress enough how strong this coin is, man. It's insane. It's insane that we're holding up so well. Bitcoin is sitting at $76,000. Ethereum at $2,241. And Monad is still holding this price range, right? It's literally sitting just a tiny bit below our first entry that we talked about on the channel. So if you're looking at a good time to start to dollar cost average into Monad, in my opinion, now is a fantastic time to do so, okay? Like, honestly, the upside here, in my opinion, is massive. Go through all my previous videos. I go through the website. I told you guys I've used the chain myself. I went to trade on Monad, and you know, again, it's a newer coin, so there's not a lot of bag holders that will keep the price down whenever this thing starts ripping. All we need is a bullish market, right? And altcoins, in my opinion, will take off, right? And honestly, we don't even need Bitcoin to, you know, ramp up too crazily. All we need is better liquidity flow into the market. We're in a very restrictive market overall for crypto as a whole. The liquidity is literally non-existent, right? There's no new retail investors. Retail interest is at its lows, 2021 lows. I have to remind you guys that retail viewership is at its 2021 lows, and yet, you know, projects like Monad are holding up so great. Imagine if retail interest returns to its 2021 highs, or goes even higher than what we saw in 2021, right? I think that's going to be massive, and I think Monad is going to be very beneficial of that, right? So like I stated, I'll keep stating it, guys. Now that it's cheap to do so. It's only $1,900 to get 100,000 Monad, and I still think that is a great investment to make. Someone commented in my video that, you know, Monad is going to zero. I said, hey, if we get into a bear market in 2026, because we've already been in a bear market for months now, if we see Bitcoin go to 40 to 50K, Monad comes down to 1 cent, because it's holding 1.8 cent, you know, so that means if Bitcoin drops to 50K, it's the lowest it'll go to is probably 1 cent, or just a tiny bit below 1 cent. And I would see that as a great buying opportunity, right? So in my opinion, Monad is in a fantastic spot, okay? Fantastic spot to potentially get to 10 cents, 30 cents, 50 cents, $1 from here. New recent update as well. ERC 8004 is now available on Monad. This was updated through the mainnet of Ethereum, right? ERC 8004 is literally like a protocol or another standard, Ethereum standard, right? That helps with AI agents, right? So AI agents can communicate, and you could develop with your AI agents through ERC 8004, right? So ERC 8004, trustless agents, makes identity and reputation for agents profitable across the ecosystem, giving deployers visibility and portability for their agents. The agentic economy on Monad is just getting started, right? So again, Monad team is, you know, building. They're doing fantastic at what they're doing. Like I'm telling you guys, the updates never stop. And I think this project is in a great spot, guys. I really do think that is the case. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next.